photography is a wonderful thing. It provides a platform to travel, explore, and meet new people. It also generates an appreciation for the subtle things like different shades of light and the way a mountain will change shape depending on conditions. Today, my friend and fellow photographer Justin Lowery and I are making our way up into the Eastern Sierras for a weekend of hiking and photography. Though as you'll soon see, not everything goes as planned. We are in Bishop, California, and we're at the Black Sheep Coffee Roasting Company espresso bar. Best coffee in Bishop, I think. And we're just trying to figure out what to do because we're just in this like really thick haze of smoke. There's a big fire. There's several big fires in California going on right now, and we're just trying to figure out where to go because there's no landscape to shoot. Everything is smoke, totally smoked out. So continuing on, let you know where we end up. We're pulled right off the side of the 395 right now, and we're checking out these buildings that people refer to as the 395 cabins. I'm not sure exactly what they are, or who built them, or why they're here, but they sure are interesting. And in conditions like this, with the fires blazing and the smoke just ever present on this landscape, it really creates this strange, eerie atmosphere around these old derelict buildings. So we're here shooting that right now, and I gotta say, it's very spooky. It's just really weird. The sun is like a red little bead in the sky. There's a lot of ash in the air right now. So today started with Justin and I leaving Southern California and heading up Highway 395 to Mammoth Lakes. About halfway here, we started to see the smoke from the fires we had been hearing about. But honestly, we thought we'd be able to get away with just camping out and it wouldn't bother us too much or affect our trip. But that quickly changed. It's just ever present. Like the smoke and ash is everywhere. So we got to Mammoth and it was just so smoky and so much ash and just like it was hard to breathe, like even walking around outside our car. So we decided to get back in the car, head further up the 395. We're about 20-30 minutes north of Mammoth right now. We've shot some images of these buildings. I think they'll turn out pretty well from the most part. I like what I shot, I think. I won't totally know until I can get it in Lightroom and really play around with it. As horrible as these fires are, conditions like this probably won't happen, or hopefully won't happen again for a long time. So, you know, taking advantage of it well it's here, even though we kind of wish it wasn't. Continuing north to Tahoe, we had stretches of clear sky, but ultimately ended up under another huge cloud of smoke. We pulled off the highway and discussed what to do. Finally, we decided to drive through the night to the California coast in an attempt to flee the smoke. But that's the story for the next video. Until then, take care.